Hey guys, James with FxBeer here, doing a quick market review over the weekend and the first few days of the week. Let's start talking about the exciting weekend we had, and with President Barack Obama winning the Nobel Peace Prize. And we all wish that the US dollar had the same popularity as Mr. Obama right now, but unfortunately that's not the case for the green buck right now. As in, we take a look at today's blog post and we move forward into the week, we're seeing again the unprecedented weakening of the US dollar. And we're going to address that here for just a minute. When we're looking at the US dollar and the unprecedented weakening that it's experiencing right in the market, we're clearly seeing the trend going against the US dollar. Now, we don't know the who's, the what's, and the whys to it, but when we take a look at the charts for the Euro US dollar today, again, we're seeing a strong uptrend for the Euro against the dollar. We started looking at it on an hourly chart. Now we're reversed. Let's go to daily chart there. Sorry about the little mix-up, okay? So now when we take a look at it on the daily chart, again, we see this uptrend just continue, and it's a beautiful upslope, almost a little too perfect to be true. A range, an up, range up, range up, range up. And now zoom in, and when we take a look at the zoom, we look at the last 8 days, and we see 6 blue candles, 2 red candles, and again, that kind of confirms to us the continued uptrend of the euro against the US dollar. Now, the euro today broke the support line, broke the resistance line of 148.20 and continued on an increase. And when we look at it on an hourly chart, and again, we're doing this, live. The market right now is trading with the US session and the end of the European session here. So when we take a look at this again, we see the euro breaking to the 148.75 range. Then again, just, over the last about 3-4 hours, we're seeing it decrease again, going back into the range of about 148.11, 148.20, and sitting at that support line right there. So when we take a look at this again, we're seeing that the euro is broken that resistance, and now we don't know if it's range trading. We really can't tell, because right now the market is just a little in shock over the 100 pip almost increase for the euro today. But when we take a look at the euro, we have to take a look at the gold, and the gold today reaching 1,068. And if we look at the chart here and we look at it on an hourly or daily standpoint, and you compare it to the gold, you'll almost see the identical movement with the euro and the gold. So when we take a look at the commodities here, what we urge a lot of traders to continue to look at is the Canadian and Australian, the commodity-driven pairs in the market. Because unlike the euro or any additional currencies, those are directly derived from the gold and the oil. Canadian oil, Australian from the gold. If you continue to follow the commodities and follow the currencies and the Australian dollar, you might have a good chance there of earning some profits in the market. This is James with FxBeer. Tune in again for another market review.